Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. So what are we going to be doing? We're going to be replacing the battery in the key fob. So I think it's one of the most popular videos I did for my Mini, so I thought I'd do it for the BRZ, especially as the battery in my spare key has now gone. So you can see that's the key there. We're not going to need any tools to remove the battery and swap it over. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, you can see on the side of the key here, it says push. So we push that in. That bit lifts up and it allows us to pull out the key. And you'll notice the end of the key is actually quite flat compared to the rest of it. And that's so, if you look just on here, there is a little slot that fits into. And then all you do is twist your key and that pops your key fob apart. So you got two halves. You got the half with the chip in. That's this one. So that's a bit loose on mine, but that would normally come off in that side. And then you've got the side with your buttons on. So all you need to do to remove this is just push down on one end and it will lift up. So let's flip it over, and what can we see? So on the back of here we've got the battery, which is a CR1632. So it's a Panasonic one in here, but obviously any brand will do as long as it's the right type of battery. And again, all you're going to do is use your key and nothing else to get the battery out. So literally dig it underneath this bottom corner, lift it up and out, and that's it. Super easy, no more complicated than that. So that's your battery out. Okay, so now we've got the new battery. So let's put that straight back in. And now you've got two pins here and here. All you need to do is push it under them, clip it back in place. Next, flip this back over and insert it back into your case, and you know you've got it the right way, because if you flip this over, you've got the button there and there, button there and there, button there and button there. And all you do, push the two halves together, clip them in, reinsert your key, and that's done. Super simple battery change, so you don't need to take it back to the dealership. You can do that yourself and save a lot of money. So hopefully you found today's video useful. It's a really quick and easy process. Please like the videos and hit the subscription button and notification bell to get alerts on any future video. There's plenty of content coming, includes lots of modifications for the Subaru BRZ, as well as mini content as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Threaded bits, and there's actually little holes on the bottom.